Hi, I am Lopamudra Sen. Welcome back to my channel, Electronic Science Tutorial. Today we solve another NET question paper based on the concept of junction field effect transistor. So let's start our class. In previous class, we saw that the amplification factor is equal to the transconductance into drain resistance. Right. Based on this topic, these numericals we have to solve. So what is the question? The question is, for a given JFET, the typical values of amplification factor and transconductance are given as 40 and 100 microsecond respectively. The dynamic resistance, drain resistance of JFET will be, first option is 200 ohm, second option is 400 ohm, third option is 200 kilo ohm and fourth option is 400 kilo ohm. This question is from UGC Net 2017 paper 3 November Electronic Science. So how we solve this problem? Here the given value is mu, that is equal to 40, and gm, that is equal to 100 microsecond, transconductance value, right? So we know in the previous class, that is mu equal to gm into rd. So what is the rd value? That is the mu by gm. So if we put all this value, we get the drain resistance of JFET. So in next slide, we saw the solution. So here is the solution. First of all, the given value, that is amplification factor, mu equal to 40. Transconductance gm equal to 100 microsecond. Therefore, the dynamic resistance Rd equal to mu divided by gm, and from this equation if we put all the value, that is mu equal to 40 and gm equal to 100 into 10 to the power minus 6. So we get 400 kilo ohm. So this is the value of dynamic drain resistance of a JFET based on the concept of amplification factor, transconductance and the dynamic drain resistance. Right? Hope you all understand this topic. Thank you. If you like my channel, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.